Wait, what? What? Your lawn is dying before winter. Don't panic. It's not too late to fix it. October is your last chance to give your lawn the TLC it needs before the cold hits. And I'm going to show you exactly how to keep your grass green, healthy, and ready to survive winter. Let's dive in and make sure your lawn is thriving before it's covered in frost. Step 1. Clean up the leaves. First things first, those pretty autumn leaves? They've got to go. If they're left lying around, they'll smother your grass and block sunlight. So, grab a rake or a leaf blower and clean them up. Trust me, this simple step can make a world of difference. You can mulch the leaves with your mower and use them as free fertilizer. Step 2, keep mowing. Yes, even in October. Now I know what you're thinking. Shouldn't I stop mowing by now? Actually, no. Keep cutting your grass, but lower the blade a notch. Mowing shorter in October helps prevent snow mold, a nasty fungus that thrives in long, damp grass over winter. Make sure you don't cut it too short, though leave about 2 inches so your grass stays protected but still strong enough to photosynthesize. Step 3, aerate the soil. Next up, aeration. October is the perfect time to loosen up your soil. Over the summer, your lawn gets compacted from foot traffic, which makes it harder for air, water, and nutrients to reach the roots. Use a garden fork or a core aerator to poke holes all over your lawn. It's like giving your grass a breath of fresh air. This helps your grass roots grow deeper and stronger before the winter freeze. Step 4, fertilize for the last time. Now, here's a crucial one. It's time for the final fertilizing of the year. October is your last opportunity to feed your lawn before it goes into hibernation. Use a slow release, winterizer fertilizer that's high in potassium. Potassium helps your grass store nutrients and stay strong through the winter months. But don't overdo it, a light application will do the trick. Step 5, overseed thin spots. Got thin or bald spots on your lawn? October is a great time to overseed those areas. Choose a cool season grass seed, spread it over the bare spots, and lightly water it in. The cooler temps and extra moisture in the fall help new grass grow strong roots before winter. Just make sure to keep it lightly watered until the new grass takes hold. Step 6, water wisely. Speaking of watering, yes, you still need to water your lawn in October. While the weather might be cooler, your grass still needs about an inch of water per week to stay healthy. Check your forecast, and if it's dry, give it a good soak. Just remember, you want to water deeply and less frequently to encourage strong roots. Prepare for winter like a pro. That's it! With these simple steps, you'll have your lawn in top shape to survive the winter and bounce back even greener in spring. Remember, October is your last shot to give your grass the care it needs before the cold hits, so don't skip these steps. Now go give your lawn some love and thank yourself come spring. Don't forget to subscribe for more lawn and garden tips. We've got you covered year-round.